Welcome to our video featuring the X-ACTO Self-Healing Cutting Mat designed for DIY, hobby, and professional crafting. This cutting mat has a durable self-healing PVC surface that withstands sharp X-ACTO knife cuts without damage. It protects your work surfaces from scratches and cuts, keeping your workspace looking pristine. The non-slip bottom ensures your cutting area stays stable, providing safety and precision. With a printed 1-inch grid pattern, it offers clear guidance for accurate measurements and cuts. This mat creates a smooth and steady base ideal for crafters, artists, and designers. Experience reliable cutting performance every time with this essential crafting tool. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.